to say goodbye. If I don't fly away to another place, I'll die down here without a trace, without a face. From above, I see all the pain of the people who live in chains. One day they dare to fly with me. No one may accept the powers that be, that be. Up to the sun, where it feels so good, like everyone, if they understood. The world beneath is broken down, suffering and slavery in the world around, all around. Like a bird, I can stay up here, despite my fear. I must not disappear.